I used the same password for everything until someone bought a Tesla with my credit card. Yeah, that's a $100,000 wake-up call. But here's the good news. If you're still using the same password for everything like I was, you can fix this right now and save 50% on your first year of 1Password. Just click the link in the description below to grab this deal. Look, we've all been there. Password 123 for your email, password 123 for your bank, password 123 for that random shopping site you used once in 2019. It's like using the same key for your house, your car, and your safety deposit box. When one gets compromised, everything goes down. 1Password is basically like having a super secure vault that creates and remembers unique passwords for every single account you have. It works on your phone, your laptop, your tablet, everywhere. You just remember one master password, and 1Password handles the rest. The best part? It actually makes your life easier, not harder. No more forgot password clicks, no more trying to remember if you used your dog's name or your birthday for Netflix. Plus, it fills in your credit cards and addresses automatically, which is honestly life-changing. For just $299 a month, you get military-grade encryption, breach monitoring, and the peace of mind that nobody's buying luxury cars with your money. And right now, you can get 50% off your first year. Don't wait until someone's shopping for Teslas on your dime. Click that link below and secure your digital life today.